Our reporter Ariana Boss was on the corner of 12th Street and North Avenue this afternoon getting ready to go live for a 6 p.m. show, and she got caught in that storm. While taking cover under a small umbrella and her camera and tripod, she managed to film the scene. Take a look at what happened.
I was here filming a march when we got caught in a hailstorm. The hail is the size of golf balls. Thank God I have this umbrella. I'm afraid I'd get a concussion. This hail is pouring down so heavy that it feels like rocks on my head. You can see the street looks like it's covered in snow. Look at the size of these hail balls. So badly. Oh man.
Wow. Fortunately, she escaped the weather unharmed. Just in time, her husband, Martin, and our sportscaster, Titus Cleveland, well, they went out to rescue her.
Titus, my hero. Titus and my husband to the rescue. Oh my God, that was unbelievable. Oh, that teaches me for wearing false eyelashes.
Welcome to Grand Junction.
Welcome to Grand Junction.